Okay, so happy Valentine's Day! Singles Appreciation Day. Did you try your coffee yet? Nope. I have lipstick on. It's kind of hard to do that. It's too hot to be drinking coffee here. It's good. Yeah, I'm not gonna sip it. Really? So you're gonna show the heart? I think so. Are you recording? Yeah, the whole time. No, I don't think so. Isn't it gonna be a messy heart? No. I'm nervous now. I have stage fright. Oh, this isn't really meant for skin, you know that, right? So am I gonna die? No, Oh, sorry. Let me no! What did you do? I think that's kind of cute. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, you want me to color it in? I'm coloring it in. Whatever, I don't care. No, I don't do better without it colored in. I go to school and everybody's going to be like, what the hell is on your face? Like, I'm happy. It's Single Appreciation Day. Oh, that's what they called it. Yeah. Come on, really? Now it's just a big circle. Oh, you ruined it. Happy Red Balloon Heart Day and red nails and lips. That's right. And Rose Day. Wait. Oh, no, wait. You got right there. Wait, where are you? How do I do that? There. Are we supposed to like give it a shout out? Or we just saying to who? I don't know. You said who? Obama. Shout out to Obama and Michelle for being in love and having beautiful kids. I was meaning more like, you know, your family. Mimi! There you go. Mimi. Happy Valentine's Day to my cat, her cats, my dog, her dog. Ah, yay, and all animals. Your dog. Don't you have 2 dogs? Oh. Why do you do this? You always do this now. I like to touch my face. This isn't gonna work. No. By the end of the video, it's gonna be a blob. Yep. I'm just gonna all over. You got it on your nose. I do? Yeah, look, go closer. Look on the edge of your nose, right there. Right there. Right. Your nose. You see it? No, I do. Wow. That's it? Yeah. It does look like there's someone back there. I know, but it's the picture. Like the Harriet Tubman picture. I don't know if that really is Harriet Tubman. No, maybe it is. Ow, my neck. Oh, can't turn that way. Okay. That's it? Yeah. Okay. All right.